Hello, shalom and marhaba. My name is Robbie Berman, your Israeli tour guide, and I'm here to share with you a little secret gem of Tel Aviv. There are more than 500 synagogues throughout Tel Aviv, but this one that I'm standing in right now on 13 Ben Saruk Street has a very unique design. It's called Heichal Yehuda, Judah's Sanctuary, and this synagogue, this shul as we like to call them, is shaped like a seashell. As you can see from this plaque, this shul is dedicated to the Jews of Thessaloniki, which had a Jewish community going back for thousands of years. Unfortunately, during the Holocaust, when the Nazis invaded Greece, they began in 1943 to send the Jews off to concentration camps, and most of the 70,000 Jews of the community died. There's only 1,000 Jews living in Thessaloniki today. Since the famous banker Yehuda Leon Recanati was from Thessaloniki before he moved to Palestine, his family built this shul in his memory in 1980, and they called it after him Heichal Yehuda. It's also known as the Recanati Shul. In fact, Yitzhak Toledano, the architect who designed the shul, was also from Thessaloniki, and as a nod to the fact that this Greek city is located on the beach, he designed the shul to look like a seashell. The north concrete facade, decorated with low reliefs of traditional Jewish motifs and symbols, was made by artist Yechezkel Kimchi, and the colored glass windows with motifs of Jewish holidays was made by the artist Joseph Shatia. As you can see, the seashell design can also be seen from the inside of the sanctuary, which has the capacity to hold 600 worshipers, 400 men and 200 women. Even today, the congregation uses the same prayers and tunes of the original Greek Jewish Thessaloniki community, keeping their traditions alive even though they were murdered. Those are the tunes that you're listening to right now. Unfortunately, someone in the Tel Aviv municipality gave permission to build skyscrapers all around the shul, thus dwarfing its appearance. There is a model of this unique-looking shul at Mini Israel, but truthfully, a visit to this shul is well worth the visit.